Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Saab key fob. The only thing you really need is your replacement battery. This takes one of the 2032s. And you can get these off Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description. And then a small screwdriver like this would be helpful. It's not mandatory, but I think it's will make the job a little bit easier. So what you want to do here is first remove the actual key. Now once you have that out, take your key, put it in here, and just push up. Separate the two like so. Alright, and you've got your circuit board here and your battery here. And you can take this small screwdriver and just kind of prop it out like that. You can remove this whole assembly if you want, it doesn't matter. But you can just take your screwdriver and press down and get it out. And then you can see down there there's the plus sign, so the new battery goes plus side down. Make sure you align this little button here and give it a squeeze, put your key back. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.